What's up, everybody? Matt here. In this video, I am breaking something new today. Since I've been breaking some older boxes and cards, we're gonna break and actually open this box, which is the Marvel Annual 2020-2021 box. So let's get right into it. Couple things to know. It is a 100 card base set. There are tiered, I believe there's 4 tiers of cards. There are also some hologram, there are some sketch cards, there are some Creative Corner signature cards as well with this set, which kind of makes it pretty cool if you can hit some of those ones. There are, just to give you an idea, 5 cards per pack, 16 packs per box. As you can see, the front of the box. Let's go around so you can see the 5 cards per pack, 16, and then gives you an idea of some of these. They have these annual ones, the creator corners that I was telling you about, and there's also some cool star rookie cards in there as well, which we'll hopefully pick up. So let's open this box and see how we do on this one. And hopefully we'll have a nice hit for this. So here we go. Let's see, where is this one? Open up. Oh, we got it here. We're just gonna cut this tape, make it easier. Go. All right, let's get this thing started. This one, and we can move the box out of the way. All right. So let's get this thing started and see how we do on these particular ones. So this set was just released last month. I'm iffy about how it looks, but wanted to give it a shot. So we start off with a Captain America, Chavez, Spider-Woman, not a bad start so far. Number 1 spot, very nice looking. And a Jean Grey. Let me go back real quick so you can see. Maybe I should identify these a little bit better for you guys. This is a tier 2, which you can see on the Spider-Woman. There are multiple tier cards. That is something to keep in mind. We will hopefully get, you're supposed to get one, they call it one hit per pack, or one, variant, so to speak. So it may be a tier 2, it may be something else. I guess we'll find out as we go. Next one, Magic. Colossus. Another number 1 spot, Marvel's X. Nice card, I will say on that. Haze, Ghost Spider. That's a really nice look right there, even for a base. That is the variant tier 1. You can get numbered cards on this one. I haven't opened any of these packs, so I'm not as familiar with the different tier 1s or the number 1s, but hopefully we will hit 1 or 2 and get familiar with it. Watch these corners. Go. All right, next pack, Bishop. Here's a tier 1 Spider-Woman. Tier 3 Carnage. Very cool. There's one of those star rookies, Nakala. and Crescent. Back of that. Our rookie number 3. Very nice. Go with that nice tier 3. One. Here is our tier 3. So, not too bad. I think these cards are kind of growing on me as I see them more. I just never been a real crazy fan of the annuals, but they're not bad by any stretch. Spider-Man Noir. We've got Prestige. Humble Beginnings, Hercules. Cool looking card. There's a tier 1 Carnage. Angel. Just show you guys again. Look at that Humble Beginnings. Back of that. Not too bad. Not too bad of a looking card. That's good. Alright. Let's see. I'd really like one of those signature cards. Comic Corners or sketch card would be really nice to hit one of those in this box. The boxers are still pretty affordable. I think they're selling now for about 110 to about a 125. Next pack. Next. Star-Lord. There's a tier 2 Nova. Another Humble Beginnings Thor. Nice. And Ghost Rider. Let's take a look at this one for a minute. Humble Beginnings. Very, very cool. Those are nice looking cards. That's what I was saying. They can grow on you. I was never really a big fan of this red border one, but I do find that some of the artwork is pretty attractive. All right. Next one up. Can't get a hit. Winter Soldier. Amadeus Cho. Whoa, here we go. Annual Impact. Reading that right? Yes. Captain Marvel. Very nice looking card. Look at that. A little closer in a minute. Gambit. Colossus. Let's look at this one. So the inserts aren't too bad. I will say that haven't been too bad. All right. You know, especially with a box that's fairly affordable, it makes it nice to kind of rip something like this. I did pick up one more box, but I am keeping it sealed. All right, next one, Scarlet Witch. Angela. Hercules, tier 3. There's another number 1 spot. Empire, X-Men. Falcon. Here. Next pack. Elfith, I'm not quite familiar with this one. Gertrude Vorks. The number 1 spot. Marvel number 1. iBoy. And name. All right. Let's see if we can't Pull out a really nice hit in this one. Make the day. And the box. Cable. This is that kid version, young version Cable. Venom. Alex Wilder. This is a tier 2. Here's another Humble Beginnings Captain America. That in a minute. And Emma Frost. Tier 1 base. So this is the Humble Beginnings, the Captain America. Really like it. Wish they did a whole set just like that. Come on, we're still looking for that really nice hit. Cosmic Ghost Rider. Scream. Very cool. A Splash-ticular, excuse me. Stereo. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Another annual impact. Captain America. Wiccan. Take a look at these two first. Let's look at that little impact card. Nice looking one. And then particular card, which is very cool. Back. 16. That's a nice little hit. That may be the one hit per box type 1. So there is a chance and that is our, so to speak, our hit, our premium hit. Because I believe those are a premium insert and I think they are 1 per average on the box from my understanding. And I don't know if that is a short print or a super short print. We'll have to do some research and see on that one, but that is a nice one. X23. Bishop. Oh, now we're talking. Scream hologram, numbered out of 49, 46. Beautiful, beautiful hit on that one. Put that down for a minute. We'll get back to that. Another annual impact, Immortal Hulk. And finishing off with Wolverine. What a really nice one. Let's put that annual impact on that Hulk. Very, very nice. Okay, this is nice. Out of, you can see it right there, out of 49. Nice hollow. Gorgeous, gorgeous hit. Really excited about that one. There for a minute. So, always love getting those numbered cards, especially right now with the way prices of Marvel cards are. Everything numbered is just selling out like crazy on the market. All right. This Polaris. Cosmic Ghost Rider. Number 1 spot. Savage Avengers. Thor. Like from the Donny Cates run. Nebula. Our last couple packs. Could there be another big hit in there? I would love another one of those hollows. Numbered ones, just beautiful. 49, wow. Right. Agents of Atlas. Captain Britain. Their America Chavez double. Another Humble Beginnings Thor. Nice to get something different. And then Vision. Three more packs. Yep. See if we can pull out one other monster hit from this box. Gwen Stacy. Dawkins. Dawkins. Number 1 spot. X of Swords Stasis. Moondragon. Blade. Two more to go. Not a bad product, I gotta tell you. It's growing on me. Immortal Hulk. Another Amadeus Cho. Luna Snow. Another Annual Impact Wolverine. Gorgeous looking. Out for a minute. Siege. Look at that Annual Impact real quick. Those are really nice. Last pack of the box, guys. So it's a fun box, not too expensive, so it's definitely something. Maybe I'll pick up another one. I'm gonna see. This is actually not bad. You get a lot in it with 16 packs basically. Kind of makes it worthwhile, in my opinion. All right, Lady Sif. Or Angela. Another Wolverine Annual Impact. That's going to be the hit for that pack. Black Panther. And ending on Deadpool. So that is the 2021 Marvel Annual. We've got our Tier 1 ones cards. There are Tier 2s. Alex Walder, Nova, Spider-Woman. Freeze, Hercules, Carnage, I'm assuming are Tier 4s, Hologram Scream, just gorgeous. That one's going to get sleeved up pretty fast. We've got our number 1 spots, X of Swords, Savage Avengers, Marvel number 1, Empire X-Men, Marvel X, Empire number 1. Again, Humble Beginnings, we got Thor, Captain America, double of Thor, Hercules. Got 1-star rookie, Kala, Annual Impacts, 2 Wolvies, Immortal Hulk, Cap, and Captain Marvel. And Splash-ticular. Here we go. Unticular card. So that's the box. Let me know what you guys think. You guys know the drill. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video and the next break. Take care.